Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I just want to do a quick shout out and thank you to the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want to give a shout out and thank you to all the people that subscribe to the channel. Thank you, thank you. And thank you to everybody who just comes in and takes the time to watch my crazy knife and EDC content. I appreciate you. Thank you. So today we've got a simple unboxing, something sent to me from the Kells over at TKell Knives, and I've got a good idea of what it is, something I've been wanting to check out. I'm a big fan of their knives. I'll try to get into it this way. Let's see what we got here. Alright, got a pouch. That is different. That is new. USA made pouch. So, by the way guys, if you are just coming in for the first time, or you haven't had a chance yet, and you're so inclined, if you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it really does help me out. So, the Kells make really cool fixed blade knives. They also are doing some possible things with some folders that I've seen some rumblings of. Got some swag here. Got a T.Kell coin. T.Kell sticker. Great pouch. But most importantly, I think this is an Agent 02. But I could be wrong. This is just an unboxing. But you're about to see a cool ass, I would say Halloween knife, but it's a year-round knife. Check this out. I have been after one of their little warnies for so long. I think this is an absolutely sexy, aggressive, just a little ballsy small knife. I mean, I can't, let's just take a look at it. Let's just take it in for a second. So, you've got these killer jimps that are kind of angled up just enough to stop your thumb. You've got the grip that's going to lock your hand in. So whether I'm plunging this through a watermelon, because it tried to take my Slurpee at the gas station, or if I'm using this to breach, to pry, to cut. It's AEB-L steel, USA made, looks like an absolute razor blade, but it is a wicked Wharncliffe. Look how thick that spine is. Guys, I am stoked to try this out and give you guys a full report. And if I'm not mistaken, these are available currently on the site. I'll leave a link to their website. It's just got a rip and grind, guys. I mean, this is just an absolute go-to-town knife. Hard use, but small. When I say small, right now it's got really cool clip. These clips work well. This is a horizontal. They got it set up to carry a Scout right now. But what I love about Tim and Suzanne's clips is you not only have the rivets, you've got these areas cut out. So I can mount an ulti clip or a deep concealment carry clip or something on this knife, and it'll be in my back pocket in no time. So speaking of back pockets, today I'm carrying the Apprentice and the Agent. I think it's the 02. I could be wrong. We're just going to call it the Agent. It is going to be much bigger than the Apprentice, and it's going to be much smaller than my Cold Steel 4MAX. I'm thinking it's going to be around 7 inches, and we'll do the full 9 yards after I've carried it, after I've cut with it. Yeah, 7-inch knife. I want y'all just to look. The blades look stone washed. This is a nitrite, and I always get this chemical process wrong. I name it wrong. I explain it wrong. I'll put a link to their website, explains it right. But I want to say it's nitrite boron coating that they treat their blanks, their blades, their finished blades with. And it is applied in a chemical way. I don't know the process. I wouldn't even be able to explain it if I did. But what it is it's the same material that they use to coat moving parts in firearms, machines, things that get a lot of friction and heat. So what Tim learned is by using it, not only does it up the HRC, but it is an amazing corrosion resistant, scuff resistant, just a very tough material. So it takes his heat treat, which is done as uniquely as anybody's. I urge you to read about that. It was on the old site. I didn't find it on the new site yet, but they've got a very intensive heat treat process. And adding this nitron boron or nitrite boron, I'm saying it wrong and forgetting it as I talk about it. But what a beautiful, beautiful knife. I am telling you, I loved the Guardian. I love the Combatant. I love the Outer Limitless. I think this is my favorite. Guys, they make this knife, and this isn't it, and it might be a little bit different size, but I've seen one of their knives that's got an edge here, and a full edge here. It is an absolute watermelon slicer that you can slice from any angle. But this is the TKell. I want to say it's the Agent 02. Whatever this is, I will list it. I will put a link to the website because they are in stock. They are available. It's a 7-inch knife. Fits my hand great. Let me beat on it for a week or so, maybe a little bit less, and I will get you guys my full thoughts. We'll look at it compared to some other knives that I carry EDC wise. We'll figure out which way I ended up carrying this, but I appreciate them sending it out to me. I love those guys. I think they're absolutely fantastic humans. They've got a great company. They've got a great live stream that runs every Sunday morning. I think it's Sunday morning. And it's going to be, I want to say 8 o'clock their time or 9 o'clock their time. They're on Eastern time. It's early in the morning, and it's just very informative. They always do a giveaway usually, but they talk about the production runs. They talk about what's happening, what's in stock, what's coming into stock. It's I'll put a link to their YouTube channel in the description too, because I would definitely, it's a great live stream. I'll watch it. I hang in there. Usually though, I'm more of a lurker because that early in the morning, I either haven't quite gone to bed yet because I've been up making content, or I'm half asleep and I'm just not the best chatter before the hours of 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. But anyway, guys, this is the Agent from TKell Knives, USA, born, bred, raised, and love the little attention grabber on the back of that there. I just noticed it. Love the G10. Just great, great knives. Look forward to sharing it with you guys. TKell Agent, I think 02. I'll put it in the description. This will go up this evening, which is Saturday. You guys check it out. I love each and every one of you. Do me a favor. Look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for one another. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.